In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the low beam headlight bulb on your Subaru Crosstrek. This is located in the engine bay on the back side of the headlight. Let's get started. To remove the low beam bulb, we'll grab the connector and turn counterclockwise about a quarter turn. When installing your new headlight bulb, make sure you don't touch the glass. This can cause them to fail prematurely. Install the bulb into the connector. Make sure you hear the click. Turn the bulb in the connector about a quarter turn until it seats. Make sure you check the function of your headlights and you're all set. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.